"Oh, nightingale, she my forest," says the emperor. The emperor is angry because he didn't know about it. He tells his men, "Go into the forest and find the nightingale." As they are walking in the forest, they suddenly hear a beautiful song. La la la, la la la, la 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 la. "There it is, it's sitting in the tree," said the one of the men. They take the nightingale to the emperor. He sings for him. The emperor allows the nightingale song and asks him to stay here and sing for him every day. One day he gets a mechanical nightingale from Emperor of Japan. Emperor loves the new nightingales because it can sing and it's got diamond on it too. The real nightingale hasn't got diamond on it. It is sad and confused. Many years go by. The emperor happy with the mechanical nightingales, but one day he stopped singing. The emperor is very sad and become blue. The real nightingale hear about the emperor and goes to the palace to sing for him. The emperor is very happy to see the nightingale again